Welcome to Cooking with Mom. Welcome to Cooking with Mom and me. I'm Camden.
Today we're going to make cream cheese enchiladas. One of your favorites, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for this you're going to need tortillas.
Yeah, I don't know what to call that.
Green chilies. Cream cheese. Enchilada sauce, the green enchilada sauce.
And chicken.
We've already diced up our chicken. Go ahead and dice your chicken up like this and then put it in the oven at 350 for about half an hour. So here we go. While our chicken is cooking in the oven, we're going to take the cream cheese, a little bit of sauce, and then our green chilies, and we're going to put them in a pot and get it all warmed up. So let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah. Have it done like, we can rip it if we want. Rip it open. That's loud. Why is it loud?
Okay, we will take our green chilies.
Chili. Can I put some in?
Yeah, I'll let you dump it.
Wait, are we going to put it in here?
Yes.
Why do we have to put it with cream cheese?
So we mix it up.
I just don't know why.
Okay.
I've never made them.
Go ahead.
That's a cool one, right?
Yeah.
I put on cream cheese.
Okay, make sure it all gets in there. And
What's a little bit thicker? Is that fine?
Try to get it as much as you can out. And then
This is how much I can get.
Okay, that's fine. Then I like to add a little bit of enchilada sauce in there. We don't put too much. We just put a tiny bit in there, and then we save the rest to put on the outside of the enchiladas.
I like the best.
Now that our chicken is done, I like to take the cubed chicken like this and put it in my mixing bowl, and we will mix it to make it more fine. So this is what the mixer does. It makes it shredded like that. So we're going to go ahead and take our cream cheese mixture that we have already made, ready to go. I'm going to take our cream cheese chili mixture and put it in here to get it all mixed up.
Thank
you. And like that, if you want.
Let your kids take this.
I don't have a precise measurement for how much goes on each tortilla. I kind of just gauge it like this. Hopefully you can see that. Then just roll it up just like this. And then this has already been sprayed with oil, so that won't stick. And we just fill it up. Okay, go ahead.
Will your kids do some of these?
Thank you. Good job.
I'm doing this one.
Okay.
Why is it
Last
crazy?
one.
I don't know why it's
Well, tortillas aren't going to always be the perfect shape.
They're not in perfect shape.
Ooh.
That's fine.
It'll be a little chunker.
I'm hoping it my way.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm thinking this enchilada. This has the most specific stuff. I'm gonna eat this big chicken.
Okay. Okay, good job. Okay, now we will take our enchilada sauce. And we're just going to cover all of our enchiladas. And shredded cheese on top. But we're not going to do that this time because Xander isn't a fan of cheese. So for that we won't. That's okay.
But you can put anything you want in it.
Sure.
Okay, not.
Yeah, Grandma usually puts onions in this. So onions are good in this too.
So what your kids like? Don't put like any fruit or vegetables or anything in your pantry or fridge or something.
Now we will put these in our oven that is preheated to 350 degrees, and we will let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then they will be ready to eat. What do you think? 2 thumbs up. Definitely give this a try. 4 thumbs up.